cool, but it's dangerous. Great to meet you. Thank you for your time. 1969 Chevy Chevelle. That, I love the flat black, maroon and flat black. That is cool.
Still looking for vehicle number 9 and vehicle 38 if we have not had you come up here yet. 38 and number 9 here. If you're up there.
Hey, hello. It's a Gator in there. Some Main Justice in that engine right there. 1966 Chevy Chevelle.
Might be in 5 minutes, might be in 6 minutes.
This is not the Charger I was talking about.
Again, we're still waiting on.
This is a Chevy Chevelle.
14, 9er, 81,
This Charger.
111.
Hey, you want to go get a taco?
66 Chevelle.
For Lower Heights.
Chevy emblem on the inside of the trunk. Whew. Chevy SS 454. This classic favorite paint job of mine. That paint job, just the classic muscle car look. Yeah. Cow induction.
Chicken quesadilla, steak taco.
It's a white stripe down the bottom part of the car on this Chevelle. 396. Oh, this is a canvas top. Oh, kind of it's an interesting texture on that. Almost looks like leather. That's a 68 Chevelle. We got another 68. Look at that paint. That green Chevelle with the interior to match.
Interior, under the hood, under the chassis.
Love these stripes. Nothing on the rooftop.
Crank her up.
Red and go. Old gold.
It's all fun and games until you lose your wiener.
Isn't it? That's life. 1970 Chevy Chevelle.
Lorena Bobbitt.
Yeah.
John Bobbitt.
John Bobbitt's life story. That is clean.
It's got the Taz in there. Tasmanian Devil. I like this.
Yep. It's got the slap shift.
It's an interesting choice of color for a Malibu. This pewter.
Yeah, it's that 70s era, man.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's been rebuilt
Yeah.
from,
It's a resto.
yeah. It's like green, Crimson 71, 1971 Chevy Chevelle Malibu.
I like that color better out of Malibu.
Yeah.
Andy Zero to the front desk.
The only ironic thing I see is it's no tuners, no tuners, no electric. It's all American muscle.
Yeah, you know where our Nikes are made? I mean, come on. Shit. Give us some pros.
Have a good weekend, guys. Nice to meet you. 1965 Chevy Chevelle. That's
Nice.
it's like
Nice
mint
color.
blue.
I call that
Clean.
Yeah. Take a picture on your phone. Not on the Sahara.
1966 Chevy Chevelle Super Sport.
That color and black interior.
Yeah, it's a nice contrast.
Oh, we went in and chucked out the block.
I like this one. 1970 Chevy. It says Chevelle. It's like a
Soft top.
Chevy Chevelle. 1970 Chevy Chevelle convertible. I could have swore that was a Camaro when we were first walking up here.
It does look like it.
It's cool. Very nice. Is this your car? Love the paint job and the colors you chose. That's beautiful. We're a Motor Droid. We got our own channel. If you flip that over, there's a QR code you can scan on the back. We go to all the local car shows, races, anything we can really get. We're car enthusiasts. So we'll probably have this up on our channel this week. Yeah, you can bring it up as much as you want. We've got multiple videos on there.
So once you show it, or once you put it up, then you can view it.
Yep, as much as you want.
Thank you
Yeah, great to meet you. I'm Jeff.
for choosing my car. Thank you.
OSS.
I believe we filmed this.
Yeah, it looks familiar. I think we got this one too, didn't we? That is a beautiful car. Oh, one owner. That is clean.
Also, we've got food vendors down at the very west end. One of the nice ones that you can visit, grab a burger, hot dog.
Hey, good. How are you?
It'd be a little nicer.
I know it would be.
1970 Chevelle SS 454.
Oh man, it's old.
That's cool. Black and gold, or red and gold on black interior. Excuse me. Nice. 1966 Chevy Chevelle 396 turbojet super sports.
Beautiful car.
1964 Chevelle El Camino.
A Chevelle Camino.
Chevelle Camino. Show show.
What year was it?
64.
You got a 59 El Camino. That Chevy show. I like the paint.
Flames are cool. Got a nice fleck in them. They fire up. Chevelle. 1968 Chevy Chevelle.
Malibu. Like that blue and white.
Yeah, all black interior.
Classic.
What's it gonna do? But it's have fun.
1966 Chevy Chevelle SS. This one and this one.
Yeah.
I like that paint job a little bit better. Love the paint job on this. We got to do this one.